Okay, hello everyone. I'm Omar Hafiz, Structure and Designer in the Educational Services team of NetWitness. And today's session will be about NetWitness Platform Overview. Okay, so this session actually includes 4 topics. We will start with identifying the data flow in the core host and additional hosts of NetWitness. Then we will move to the second topic, which is data parsing in NetWitness. The third topic of this session is about NetWitness Platform Services. And finally, the fourth topic is a demonstration of the basic features of the NetWitness UI. So before starting our session, please ensure that your mics are muted. If you have any questions during the session, please drop them at the chat box so I can answer them at the end of the session. And don't forget to check our course catalog. After the session, a PDF version of this presentation will be sent to all of you. You can click on the Visit Course Catalog here, as you can see on the screen. So let's start by setting your expectations for the session. We will introduce basic information about NetWitness, core and additional hosts. However, the detailed information about these hosts are not included in the session. In the second topic, we will discuss an overview of data parsing, but we will not go into further details about the different types of parsers. Then we will move to the next topic, which gives a brief information or introduction regarding the services of the admin host, the core and additional hosts. However, the detailed description of these services will be out of scope of this session. And the fourth topic includes a video demonstration for the main modules of NetWitness. I will go through the video and explain every part of it, but I will leave exploring the NetWitness UI itself to you. Okay, so first, data flow in core and additional hosts. What is data flow in NetWitness? So NetWitness collects raw data from your network. It then parses the data, enriches the data, and stores this data in variables known as meta keys. Raw data and meta keys can be stored in several ways, depending on how long you need to retain this data and what you intend to do with it. You can create new data as well as alerts using tools like parsers, feeds, and rules. Okay, so NetWitness consists of a number of devices referred to as hosts. The shown figure shows a deployment using a packet decoder, a log decoder, and an endpoint log hybrid. Generally, NetWitness functions as per the following high-level steps. The log decoder passes log, meta, and data to its dedicated concentrator, while the packet decoder does the same with the packet meta and data. Both decoders parse incoming data to produce usable meta keys. Then the concentrators index the meta produced by packet and log decoders to increase the speed and efficiency of searching and reporting. Both concentrators are aggregated at the broker. The broker sends the queries for meta keys to multiple concentrators. Each concentrator then collects the requested information and returns it to the broker. The broker combines the data from all the concentrators and presents a unified picture of data in the environment. The NetWitness server, which includes the NetWitness UI, here it enables analysts to aggregate and filter data, issue queries, respond to incidents, and define and run detailed forensic reports. Okay, now data flow in NetWitness can be segregated into 4 sections: data collection, data enrichment, long-term data storage, and data analysis. I'll be talking about each of these 4 sections in details, so I'll start with the data collection. So packet and log decoders are the hosts responsible for data collection, session construction, meta creation, and short-term storage of session and log data. Note that with the introduction of the meta-only decoder with optional licensing, this configuration can be used to parse network and log data, but the session and log data is not stored. For more information, you can visit our course catalog and check the NetWitness Administration 1 course. We also have the endpoints, which are agents that collect and process information, file information, and optionally Windows logs, which are forwarded to an endpoint log hybrid host for parsing and indexing. Now we'll be moving to the second section, which is the data enrichment. Concentrators are the hosts responsible for index and short-term storage of all metadata in the NetWitness database, or NWDB in short. The concentrator can aggregate metadata coming from multiple decoders or can be paired with a single decoder in a larger NetWitness implementation. The hybrid is a combined decoder concentrator platform for optimizing branch performance on a single platform and lowering total cost of ownership. I will be moving to the third part, which is the long-term data storage. So archivers here provide long-term storage of log data meta to facilitate compliance over a period of months or years. A broker is required when distributing queries across multiple concentrators and archivers. It is helpful in enterprise sites with multiple collection points and can aggregate concentrators across separate geographical locations. You can consider the broker as a virtual proxy to aggregate information coming from multiple concentrators. And also here an important point to mention that the broker is not used for storage, but its placement here in the diagram is based on the NetWitness data flow. Our final point here, which is data analysis. The NetWitness admin server includes the admin server, broker, config server, content server, integration server, license server, orchestration server, reporting engine, response server, security server, and source server services. The NetWitness admin server is also called the head unit or the admin server in short. We also have the event stream analysis or ESA in short, identifies patterned or related events, and provides for complex correlation and event processing in near real time. A NetWitness server can be deployed on an ESA host, where it can be passed through complex rule sets to generate timely alerts onto the broker, where data from multiple concentrators can be aggregated or directly to the NetWitness admin server. Now we'll be talking about the second part of this topic, which is NetWitness Platform additional hosts. You can add some additional hosts to the NetWitness platform. These additional hosts include Orchestrator and UEBA. The Orchestrator host is a security orchestration, automation, and response, along with threat intelligence that uses the meta key of NetWitness Respond module. User and Entity Behavior Analytics, or UEBA, is a separately licensed host that analyzes log data to baseline and detects deviation in user and system activity. UEBA provides analysts with predictive analysis by establishing behavioral patterns based on unsupervised machine learning. Now we'll be moving to our second topic here, which is the data parsing.